In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Substack account. If you've decided it's time to close things out, I'll walk you through the exact path in Substack's interface and point out what to look for so you can complete the process confidently. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Substack account on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since the menus are easiest to find there. Start on the Substack homepage or your dashboard. Look for the More menu. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this in the navigation area, often along the left side on desktop, or within your profile or user menu. It may appear as a text label that says More, or as a menu with additional options hidden under your profile avatar. Click this to reveal more account and publication controls. From that expanded menu, select Settings. This takes you to the central place where you manage your account details, publication preferences, and advanced controls. Give the page a moment to load fully so all sections are visible. You should see a long list of categories and toggles that affect how your account and any publications are configured. Now, scroll down the settings page until you find the section called Danger Zone. As the name suggests, this area contains irreversible or high-impact actions related to your account and publications. It is placed near the bottom of the page to reduce accidental clicks, so keep scrolling steadily until you clearly see the Danger Zone heading. Within the Danger Zone, locate the option labeled Delete Account. Before you proceed, pause for a second to consider the implications. Deleting your account is typically permanent and may remove your profile, access to your dashboard, and potentially associated content or follower relationships tied directly to your account. If you manage paid subscriptions or have outstanding charges, be aware that closing your account could affect ongoing billing and access. Policies can change, so it's always a good idea to review Substack's current help articles if you're unsure what will be removed. When you're ready, click Delete Account. Substack may display a warning or require confirmation so you don't delete the account by mistake. Read any message on the screen carefully, then proceed if you're certain. After confirming, give the system a moment to process the request. Once completed, you should no longer have access to that account. That's all there is to it. Open the More menu, go to Settings, scroll to Danger Zone, and choose Delete Account. Thanks for watching, and take care.